Hey skiers, it's Bob with skiessentials.com. Welcome to our 2023 ski test. We got a Volkl Deacon Master 76 for you today. Fantastic front side option, slightly wider bodied format than the 72. Mostly just gives it a longer turn radius, but built the same way with the same overall intention, just a slightly longer turn radius, a little bit wider in the waist. Certainly not going to go so far as to call this a versatile all mountain ski. Certainly more squarely pegged into the front side category. And in that realm, this thing is pretty darn strong and stable. We do get the World Cup ash wood core in this ski to go along with 2 sheets of metal. So right from the start, we're looking at a stiff and burly build. That ash wood core, that full dense wood, really goes a long way in making this one of the strongest and most stable non-FIS compliant race skis on the planet. They also use their tailored carbon tips. So what Volkl has done, they've done this with the Mantra M6, the Volkl Deacon V-Works. The engineers are able to put in these carbon strips that extend to the edge and then run down the center of the ski here in the front. What that does is it increases the torsional stiffness of the tip. There is slight tip and tail rocker to this ski, so the carbon kind of offsets that and allows for that just direct transfer of energy. So anytime you put even just the littlest bit of movement from your boot to the binding to the ski, that carbon is going to hook up quicker, make the shovel of the ski a little bit stiffer. But really nice job by Volkl at incorporating some of that stuff. Kind of replaces their UVO, their UVO technology in terms of damping vibrations as well. That carbon kind of filters it out, which is nice. But really we're getting that full race feel out of this ski. They also add their 3D fiberglass to this. We've talked about this before, but anytime that you're taking fiberglass and bending it or curving it, you're adding stiffness. So they have their horizontal laminate of fiberglass and then they bend it at 90 degrees over the edges. And what that does is it really stiffens the flex. So these things are quite stiff from tip to tail, torsionally and longitudinally, allowing for that top end of performance for sure. 76 millimeters underfoot, it's a little bit wide for that race ski, but still narrow enough to provide excellent torsional stiffness and edge grip. We are looking at an 18.7 meter turn radius. This is the 181. So a little bit longer, still we're sub 20, so you can definitely make some side-to-side turns on this ski for sure. Not quite that narrow, 15-meter arc that we're starting to see become more popular. I think that the race build of this ski definitely puts it more into that longer turn capability area. We do come with a marker piston plate on this ski, so that combined with the ash wood core and the 2 sheets of metal, they bring the weight for sure, 2,484 grams per ski. So pretty heavy, but again, you get that plate. This will take any of the marker race bindings, so you're a little bit limited in what binding you choose to put on this. You're pretty much just choosing your DIN at this point, but it's nice. They just go into the pre-drilled holes, and then you get that awesome World Cup piston plate on here to go along with that race binding and this race construction ski. So excellent choice for that front side enthusiast. And like I said, we do get a little bit of tip and tail rocker here as well. It does make things just a little bit friendlier. Minimal. You really have to decamber the center of the ski to see where that rocker in the tips and tails pops out. But it is there, so it's nice to have. Just makes getting into and out of the turns a little bit easier, not quite as twitchy. So if you're not, currently on the World Cup circuit, I think that that's a really nice feature to have. But definitely check out these Volkl Deacon Master 76s here at skiessentials.com, and we will see you out there on the hill. Bye.